Premier, you've mentioned a few times that your finance minister has been concerned about healthcare spending. Are you suggesting that there may be spending cuts in the upcoming budget?
No, I'll tell you right now, no, there won't be. He's a prudent fiscal manager with the taxpayers' money. And yes, when you see the amount that we're investing into healthcare, it's concerning.
And the finance minister reiterating those concerns following a pre-budget speech he delivered on Thursday. While healthcare remains the largest budget line, Peter Bethlenfalvy notably didn't list it as one of his government's priorities heading into the new fiscal year. You've mentioned a few times that healthcare spending isn't sustainable at this rate. So what does that mean for this upcoming budget?
Well, when I said it's not sustainable, what I was saying is that we're going to continue to invest. But I also want to challenge the system to look for solutions, look for delivering more to our frontline workers, healthcare workers, and for the benefit of the patients.
Critics argue hospitals have already been making cuts that are affecting patient care. And despite more than $92 billion allocated to healthcare in the last provincial budget, Ontario hospital leaders say they are still facing a $1 billion shortfall.
Hospital CEOs, I think, are working really hard to contain costs. He needs to be thinking about what his government can do, what is within his control.
The education sector has also been demanding more money. The president of the Elementary Teachers Union tells us the government has underspent by $6.3 billion since taking office almost 8 years ago.
We're seeing a loss of educational assistants. We're seeing a loss of support personnel. We're seeing higher class sizes as a result of those budget cuts.
Can we expect a big boost in the budget for the K-12 sector specifically?
Well, we're going to continue funding investments in our education system.
In his speech, the minister did highlight infrastructure and housing, trade, business and clean energy, and the post-secondary sector as some of the priorities shaping the Ford government's economic and fiscal plan.
Our plan is working. It is cautious where it must be, and ambitious where it should be.
He's trying to paint this rosy picture, and the reality is actually something very different. I think it was a speech kind of geared to Bay Street and not Main Street. And the people on Main Street are struggling.
The finance minister announcing today he will table the budget on Thursday, March 26th. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.